Is anybody inside?
No, they've escaped. They've escaped at all.
I think the truck's in the ditch. Maybe we should call for help.
There was too many logging trucks going up the Charlotte Ridge.
And
And this one just veered off the side of the road. This one had too many logs on it.
so maybe we should, maybe we could, the logs are still on, maybe we could take the logs off and maybe make furniture out of it here.
Yeah, and we could use this as like a democracy logging truck, and we could take all the trees from all the houses and put them on here, and we could go bring them up to the forest, and we could sprinkle magic fairy dust, and maybe all the trees will grow back.
I don't know now. I don't think that can work.
This is a sign. This is a sign.
No, all we can do is maybe keep the logs here and maybe make beautiful furniture out of them, and maybe hopefully live in a world one day where they don't cut trees down all the time like this. What do you think, Aiden?
Mommy,
Yes?
somebody want to tell you.
Right now, honey.
Okay, do it now.
Mommy,
What, honey?
there's a truck stuck in the ditch.
Oh no, and it has the flat tire. We have to make a tire swing for all the children.
How long has it been there? Is anybody inside? Jeff, there's a truck stop here. Why do you think they left it here, though?
What's that?
Why do you think they left it here?
I think it's pretty amazing. Take a look. Very painting. It's all canvas.
It's painting?
It's a canvas painting.
Oh, wow.
Ready to retire.
Mommy, and there's someone in the truck.
Oh no.
Really? Where? Who?
You can see them. I can't see them. Maybe you can see something I don't see.
I see him. I see that the front window is cracked. Look at, see?
Oh no.
Oh, well, this is how they used to log, didn't they? This is from a long, long time ago.
And it's broken there
A
too.
couple weeks. What?
It's broken there too.
I know this type of thing didn't work very well.
It's overgrown with vines and everything.
Yeah, well, this is the old consciousness that couldn't ensure any water or hummingbirds and things that are important. Like every tree is. Oh, there's someone exercising their right ankle.
So they're right to push hard on a gas pedal.
So if you could just close up for the audience who just tuned in.
Well, they
What's
used to
this?
shave Salt Spring Island, but I guess they made progress and realized that Channel Ridge clear cuts were all about greed, and so they drove it all into the ditch.
So what happened to Channel Ridge? They had wanted to build something, and some group of hippies stopped them, I think, and they left this truck here. And so that's what happens when you just.
You break trees hurt.
But no, we succeeded, didn't we? So what's at Channel Ridge now?
A beautiful village called Freedom Village.
Wow.
But the brakes are still on, so
Okay,
it's not going anywhere.
Okay, so we should call the cops.
Right away, dial 911.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Hi, is this the Salt Spring Police? Yeah, we found a logging truck here in the middle of the ditch in Fulford, and we were hoping that you could come down and take a look. It's a pretty serious situation. We're not sure if there's anybody in there, but my sense is that there's a cracked window and that he hears some voices, so we're just across from the Fulford in here, and leave your money at home. You're not gonna want to drink. There's a bunch of hippies here, and we'll deal with the problem, and you won't have to get drunk and forget about it. So,
Mommy, what does
yeah?
the
Oh, really?
say?
Oh, perfect, man. We love smoking pot. No problem. Sure, bring down a few joints. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
What did he say?
Get him down. We're gonna smoke a fatty, and he's really worried. They don't know what's going on.
What does the
Okay, well, he'll come down and we'll have a talk with him. Chat.
Okay.
What does the